Hi, I'm Jeremy from Jeremy Planet. I recommend these grinders to anyone who is starting their espresso setup in their kitchen. Today we have the Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill Grinder from Cuisinart. So I'm going to fill it with coffee beans. It opens from the top with the lid like this. Put the beans in from the top. You don't want to overfill it. And then it's already plugged in, so we turn it on. You want to choose a setting. It goes from 4 to 18, and you use the slider. I'm just going to set it to about 4, and then you hit the start button. And for my coffee, I grind espresso, so I've turned it all the way down from coarse, which is all the way here, to fine. So from right to left, so clockwise. So I'm going to hit start. And that's on setting 4. So when I take the grinds container out of the grinder, I like to knock it a couple times on the counter. That gets some of the grinds off the side of the container. And then as you can see, the grinds are pretty fine, powdery, and that's perfect for espresso. So the next step would be to pour this into a portafilter or a coffee filter, or So, and then when you're done, clean this out. You can brush it out, or you can just leave it with a little tiny bit of residue. That's okay. And then you put it back in the machine for next time. And that's it. Right. So the reason I like this grinder is because it's cost effective. It's pretty large capacity hopper. You can fit almost an entire bag, most of the time an entire bag of beans in there. And it has a variety of settings. It gets pretty fine, even for a regular grinder. The type of grinder is a Burr mill, but there are a variety of those. This is a flat Burr mill, not a conical, so it is pretty effective at getting a consistent fine grind, and it's easy to clean. And it has a nice cord storage, little inlet around the sides of the bottom. So yeah, and it's very safe. I have 2 grinders because I prefer to grind decaf and regular. So one for decaf and one for regular. I've had these grinders for about 2 years, and I use them every day.